everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is how to clean the headliner on a vehicle. Before I get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button. Want to be notified of new videos, hit the bell icon. I really appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, I already cleaned the vehicle ahead of time before this filming, but I do want to give you an idea how to do it. As in any vehicle, over time, you buying a used or new, sometimes you get the headliner dirty. So this product called Shout Auto, it's a multi-purpose cleaning wipe, and I found it's really useful. I was looking for something like this before in the past, couldn't find anything that really gets the dirt out and also is soft on my headliner, so it wouldn't damage it. Especially if you have a product like Sway or some kind of thing that's very fragile, you don't want to damage the headliner or make a hole in the headliner, so that wouldn't look good over time. So simple product. I bought the wipe over here and I'm going to demonstrate it. Okay, so I got one of the wipes out already, and I still missed a few parts to clean on this particular vehicle here. So I'm just going to gently nudge it a little bit. You can see that I'm not rubbing extra hard. I don't want to damage the headliner. This material is like Sway or something like that. So, I do want to get the dirt out. Keep in mind, these wipes don't last forever. If you leave it out, if you leave the container open, eventually they will dry up. So, since you have it, why not use it, right? So, and, I see little spots here and there. Definitely it takes some time to dry up, maybe a few hours and such. Yes, there's a little soapy smell on it right now. And after you clean it, the soapy smell seems to go away. So I'm just demonstrating, I'm not pushing hard on the surface. As you can see that, yes, it's not going to discolor the headliner, but you just have to be really gentle. Don't rub it extra hard. If you rub it extra hard, you could definitely damage the headliner. So, and I found this product works really well, and you can actually use it to wipe hard surfaces as well too. Just like, don't want to leave it on leather or vinyl maybe for long periods of time maybe. Definitely you might want to dry it up with a microfiber towel or something like that later on. I'm just going to clean it here a little bit. This part is really dirty. I'm not sure how well is it on camera. But, I'm just showing how it works. And you have another tip or something, please share it too. That'd be posted in the comments below if you could. See, I could also clean the handle over here as well too. This product is pretty relatively inexpensive. And Shout has been making carpet cleaning detergents and stuff like that as well too. So yes, it looks a little bit wet. The smell is doesn't stand out a lot. The biggest thing is like it gets the dirt out, it doesn't stain your headliner, and also doesn't damage your headliner. Some people have mentioned to me that maybe using a degreaser would be another alternative and stuff like that on this cleaning. Yes, there's probably a solution. If you have one, you can post it below as well, so you can share it. And I found this one is very light, and it works really well, and very simple to use. Yes, it does dry your hands a little bit. If you want to wear a glove or something like that, that might be worthwhile to do as well. But definitely go to the areas that are dirty and just gently wipe it a little bit over here. But don't exert a lot of pressure or something that I mentioned earlier. So let me skip ahead a little bit and show you with the microfiber part. Okay, so I have a microfiber. I'm just gonna go over the surface just in case I have too much of the detergent left over from the wipe. And keep in mind that it does take a few hours, maybe an hour or two to dry, and it's pretty much invisible. I've done this before, so that's why I'm doing it again, just for demonstration, and also to clean the areas that I missed. So, but this does leave like a watery residue. There's just no greasy residue. So I also missed a little area here. I didn't clean that well over there, so I'm just gonna go over it a little bit. Rub in circle, just like a carpet, right? But it's on the headliner. So, and it's gonna be a lot cleaner later on. Mostly useful if you want to keep your vehicle nice and clean, nice and neat. If you purchase a used or new one, or even over time your headliner gets a little bit dirty, or you spilled something on it, or something happened on it, accidentally, then you can find a way to clean it. So now keep in mind, you want to leave it for an hour or two. Don't keep on rubbing it, it's already wet, so you don't want to damage the headliner. Okay, so that's the Shout Auto Cleaning Wipe. You can find them at most fine auto stores or stores that they sell different cleaning supplies and such for that. It's pretty inexpensive. I don't recall paying more than $15 for it. So definitely it's something that most people could afford. And also keep it nice and clean. It's disinfected and there's no grease residue or anything left over. That's the great thing. The smell doesn't stay there forever. Not like something that smells after you clean it and smells like the cleaning wipes and stuff like that. No, you don't have that with this product. I wouldn't recommend it on electronic stuff or LCD. If you have leather and vinyl and rubber, I recommend use this Mother's brand. So that's something that works really well and passed for me. It cleans the dirt and gets the grit and grind off it as well. So those are the two products I do want to recommend. And these are pretty inexpensive overall. That's a spray bottle, so definitely be careful where to spray it to. Don't spray it on any electronic stuff, otherwise it may get damaged. Hope you liked the video surprise. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.